Hello everyone, I just wanted to create a brief video demonstration of our completed, newly redesigned IDTA website, which we're on here, and some of the new features that you'll have access to as paid members. Once you have filled out the membership form and re-signed up for membership and paid for membership, you'll be able to select a password and username. And once we verified that, then with your password and username that you selected, you'll have access to these sections here under the member login, as well as these sections here under advocacy. And so under the member login, you're going to have a member profile where you'll be able to get your personal contact information out there if you like. Profile where you'll be able to put in particular interests, a brief bio for yourself, and you'll be able to select whether or not you'd like this profile and contact information searchable in our Find a DT section. You can select yes or no, or in our private member directory, yes or no. You'll also have access to the member directory where you can search by member's name, category, CFC serve, zip code, or you could just do a general search. And that's where the profile will come up, so you can see there. You'll also have access to our newsletter, and here we will be uploading all of our newsletters as well as archives that you'll have access to. This is just a temporary document to make sure that it was working, and you'll be able to contribute to that newsletter if you'd like. We'll have access to an exclusive discussion forum for members only, where you'll be able to have discussion with other members in regards to billing questions, HIPAA policies, just general IDTA stuff. And we'll add categories to this section. So we'll be looking for feedback from you guys to add to that section and the categories you'd like to have topics to discuss. There'll also be a resource page where you'll have access to a variety of different resources that'll be linked here for you to share with families or to use for yourself. We do ask that you use those resources responsibly and make sure they're within the scope of your practice. There's also a section on the bylaws and policies, so you can see our bylaws that we currently have. The privacy policy we have for the IDTA, and terms and conditions for use of the website, which we would expect for everybody to know and use. There's also a section for important news. Here you'll have information such as the EI Provider Billing Manual. These are the recent documents that just came out in January, or I think even more recently, probably February or March here. And these are Approve Assess Instruments, list of EI eligible medical diagnoses, which you'll have access to, and we will be continually adding to that page as well. There's also going to be an employment section. So once we have employers start listing jobs, they will be listed in this section right here for you guys to see and connect you with other people that might be looking to employ DTs in different arenas. There's also a continuing education section here where we'll be posting some of the continuing education opportunities that we'll be offering through the IDTA for members. There's a president's blog for you to be able to connect with what's going on the IDTA, and you'll be able to see that here. There's also going to be access to an advocacy page that'll tell you how to get involved and how to give you some opportunities to work with Congress members and to advance the issues of the IDTA. And then also advocacy alerts and the legislative issues update page where we'll give you guys updated information on things that are going along with Springfield and bills that are out that are being voted on that could impact the way that we deliver services or the field of developmental therapy. So that is most of what's available there. We'll be continually adding and are looking for feedback, but now we have a website that is completely fully functional.